How to log into your PNC Bank online banking account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can sign into your PNC Bank's online banking account. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to sign into your PNC Bank online banking account, first of all, you must have already activated your online banking. And in order to activate and enroll for online banking, you must already have an existing account on PNC Bank. So assuming you've done all of the steps and after you've registered for online banking, I will show you how you can log in and make transactions online. So all you have to do is first of all go to pnc.com. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box so you can check that out. Just go to pnc.com and then you will see this kind of interface where if you want to sign in, on the right hand side you'll see this little white rectangular box that says sign on. All you have to do is just click on this option. Now over here you can sign on to online banking or select another service. So when you select another service, you have your iHub, you have iLink, PNC International, whatever else. In this case it's just online banking, so basically I'm going to leave it at that. Now what you want to do is just go ahead and make sure to enter your user ID over here. Once you enter your user ID, you want to make sure to enter your password, so go ahead and then also enter your password. Once you do that, just click on the login option on the right hand side in order to successfully log into your PNC online banking account. If you have not yet registered, you can just click on the enroll button, which is right at the bottom next to the login button, in order to sign up and activate or register for online banking account. If you don't remember your user ID, you can just click on the option called forgot user ID or password, and then you can reset your credentials in that way. If you want to remember your user ID, you can just hover this icon over here and then you can just check it so that next time when you want to log in, you should be able to do it without having to re-enter details manually. And after you do that, you should be able to successfully log into your PNC online banking account. That's all it takes to log into your PNC online banking account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.